you am a part of the band. Please forgive me just for thinking it's a fleeting romance. I guess no one ever taught you how to be a real man. Would you hold it down and take it if I gave you a chance? Need the reassurance, baby, not a silly romance. Guess I'm used to being disappointed, falling too fast. If you wanna go and get it, and I hope you last. If you wanna go and get it, and I hope you last. Would you hold it down and take it if I gave you a chance? Need the reassurance, baby, not a silly romance. Guess I'm used to being disappointed, falling too fast. If you wanna go and get it, and I hope you last. If you wanna go and get it, and I hope you last. Would you hold it down and take it if I gave you a chance? Need the reassurance, baby, not a silly romance. Guess I'm used to being disappointed, falling too fast. If you wanna go and get it, and I hope you last. If you wanna go and get it, and I hope you last. Baby girl, I got you.
Right where I want it.
Baby girl, I got you. Baby girl, I got you.
Right where I want it.
Baby girl, I got you.
First day, started hanging out, celebrating your birthday. Turned 19, so we couldn't really be thirsty for something to drink. Now, sparkling wine with pink bubbles. Shit, I don't even partake in public. Little mama, why you wanna love me? Little mama, yeah, you wanna, mama.
Baby girl, I got you.
Right where I want it.
Baby girl, I got you. Baby girl, I got you.
Right where I want it.
Baby girl, I got you.
Her love is in your head, you lost your earrings in her bed. You couldn't tell her that you lost them, 'cause you're scared and you're not talking. So you think of what to say, then save it for another day. 'Cause you just never had the heart, now they just drift further apart from you. Her love is in your head, you lost your earrings in her bed. You couldn't tell her that you lost them, 'cause you're scared and you're not talking. So you think of what to say, then save it for another day. 'Cause you just never had the heart, now they just drift further apart from you. Extra, extra, read all about it. Magazines, feelings, and you can't get out of it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Magazines, feelings, and you can't get out of it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Magazines, feelings, and you can't get out of it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Magazines, feelings, and you can't get out of it. Extra, extra, read all out of it, can't get out of it.
Okay, well, I hope you like my mixtape.
Check it out. Shoot your mouth.
I like this.
Now, to all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes. Who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping my wet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music lasting. But I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GF3. I got the chronic by the tree. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Why? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things to make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave. Throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Gon' fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape. Conversate for a few, cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? Forget the telly, we just go to the crib and watch a movie in the jacuzzi. Smoke L's while you do me. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby.
How you living, Biggie Smalls?
In mansion and Benzes, giving ends to my friends and it feels stupendous. Tremendous cream, fuck $1 and a dream. Still tote gas strapped with infrared beams. Chopping O's, smoking line optimals, money holes and clothes, all a nigga knows. A foolish pleasure, whatever. I had to find the buried treasure, so grams I had to measure. However, living better now, coochie sweater now. Drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend.
Honey, check it. Tell your friends to get with my friends. And we could be friends. Shit, we could do this every weekend. That's right. Alright? Is that alright with you? Yeah. Keep banging.
I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Check it out. Now full shit for that ass. Puff Daddy, Biggie Smalls, Junior Mafia, represent baby.
Get it crackin', let's take it, fuck that. Bitch tryna get wiped, but my dick, she can't get up. Spoke about a thought, if you want it, we can get up. Fall down on the boat, but the tech ain't have to get up. Bitch, for my root, what she want, she can't get in nut. Drippin' no soup, chopper cook, but cut this shit up. I don't want no love, bitch, I'm tryna fit a nut. Now I pull it blue, blood, bitch, get it cripped up. But I don't want my blood, swear to God, we gon' rip some. I'm a world rat, if I want it, I'ma get some. Got my fingerprints on some hollow to shawty lyrics, so talk about buying that shit. We gon' lead some, fuck shooting one time, yeah, we gon' rip some. She drinks lemonade, I drink Lipton, juice, orange in it, man. Come and get some, put the thuka down, pussy bitch, put your business dope. Call her D, VIP, we might have to keep some. Lemonade, I drink Lipton. She drinks lemonade, I drink Lipton. Chop up, ballets and your sister. Chop up, ballets and your sister. I can get caught lacking bitches, not in my system. She drinks lemonade, I drink Lipton. Codeine pumping the scene in my fucking system. I can get caught lacking bitches, not in my system. It's the system, bitch, it's the system. I'm just tryna ball like a motherfucking pistol. Call her D, VIP, we might have to kick some. Chop up, ballets and your system.